I am back. 我回来了，好久不见 Long time no see. I'm back to YouTube again for this video. If you're new to this channel, my name is Katrina and my job is to help you speak and read Mandarin with confidence and joy. 好久不见 Long time no see. I've been away from YouTube channel for a while because I have been very busy with Instagram. I make a lot of Instagram videos almost every day and also my personal life. More importantly, for my Chinese speaking program, which is the sponsor of this video. Chinese speaking program is a 3-month subscription program from me, helps students to improve their Mandarin speaking skill, confidence, and fluency with my mini training, mini challenges, and Zoom coaching course. If you want to improve your Mandarin Chinese with more accountability, support, and community, engage with people around the world who are learning Mandarin Chinese, and get direct contact with me, don't forget to check out my Chinese speaking program. Now back to this video. So today's topic is about describing food taste, texture, and flavor in Mandarin Chinese, and this question is coming from one of my Chinese speaking program students. It's a great question and I'm making this to a YouTube video. So first of all, to talk about taste of Mandarin Chinese, let's learn 酸甜苦辣. First one is 酸, the taste sour. 酸, repeat after me, 酸 sour. So take it as an adjective. You could say 柠檬很酸 lemons are sour 柠檬很酸 or you can ask a person 你喜欢吃酸的东西吗 Do you like sour food 你喜欢吃酸的东西吗 The next one is 甜 sweet 甜 You could say 这个糖果很甜 This candy is very sweet 这个糖果很甜 or 我不喜欢吃太甜的东西。我不喜欢吃太甜的东西。I don't like to eat too sweet stuff, okay? The next taste is 苦。苦 is bitter. You could say 中药很苦。Chinese medicine is bitter. 中药很苦。Or there is a vegetable called bitter melon. Not a lot of people like it. 苦瓜 bitter melon. Next one is spicy. 辣。辣，你能吃辣吗 Are you able to handle spicy food? Are you able to eat spicy food? 你能吃辣吗你能吃辣吗你可以说我不太能吃辣 I can't really handle spicy food. 我不太能吃辣 Okay, that's 酸甜苦辣 The next one is 咸 which means salty. 咸，你煮的菜太咸了The dish you cook, the food you cook is too salty. 你煮的菜太咸了 So what if you want to talk about the food is too oily? You could say 油 or 油腻油and 油腻 both word when you want to say something is too oily. You could say 这道菜太油腻了 This dish is too oily.这道菜太油腻了 The opposite of 油腻 is 清淡 So if you talk about the food is very 清淡 which means that the food is not too oily, doesn't have a lot of strong flavor, that is 清淡 It's like bland and healthy 清淡我喜欢吃清淡一点的食物 I like to eat light food Okay, light, healthy, not a lot of flavor food我喜欢吃清淡一点的食物 If you want to talk about something tastes very fresh, okay, like salad, the salad is very fresh or the drink is very fresh. In Mandarin, you could say 清爽 For example, 这盘沙拉的口感很清爽这盘 this plate 这盘沙拉 salad 这盘沙拉的口感Okay, you have to learn the word 口感 口 is your mouth and 感 is your feeling. The feeling of your mouth, which means the texture 口感这盘沙拉的口感很清爽 The texture of this plate of salad is very refreshing 很清爽 And if you find the dish is too heavy flavor in Mandarin is 重口味重 is heavy 口味 is flavor too much oil, too spicy, too salty, 重口味。For example, 他喜欢吃重口味的菜。他喜欢吃重口味的菜。He likes to eat heavy flavored food. I don't know if that's how you call it in English, heavy flavor, but that's how we call it in Mandarin Chinese. Okay, 重口味. If you want to talk about the food is too bland, no flavor, in Mandarin you could say 淡 For example, 这道菜味道太淡了。这道菜味道太淡了。This dish's flavor is too bland. Or you could say, 这道菜吃起来没有味道。这道菜 this dish 吃起来 when you eat it, when you taste it 没有味道 no flavor, no taste. Okay, 没有味道。Next one, let's talk about crispy in Mandarin. That is 脆 crispy. 这个炸鸡很脆。This fried chicken is very crispy. 这个饼干很脆。This cookie is very crispy. 这个饼干很脆 crispy. Or you can say 酥脆 crunchy and crispy. 酥脆 For example, 这个炸鸡非常酥脆。This fried chicken is very crunchy and crispy. 酥脆 Speaking of fried chicken, you probably want to say how to say juicy in Mandarin Chinese. That would be 多汁多is a lot and 汁 is juice, a lot of juice, juicy. 多汁 For example, you could say 这个炸鸡酥脆多汁 This fried chicken is crunchy, crispy, and juicy. 这个炸鸡酥脆多汁 The next adjective expression is 香 香 is talk about the smell, okay? You could say, 哇你的炸鸡好香啊 Wow, your fried chicken smells so good. Smells so good. 好香啊你的炸鸡好香啊 Or if you want to talk about the food is very dry, like chicken breast. Like I personally find chicken breast can be very dry if you don't cook properly. So, in Mandarin that is 干 dry. 干 For example, 你煮的鸡胸肉太干了。你煮的鸡胸肉鸡胸肉 is chicken breast meat. 鸡胸肉 So the chicken breast you cook is too dry, not juicy. So the opposite of juicy is 干太干了 And to talk about tenderness in Mandarin Chinese is 嫩 For example, 妈妈做的鸡胸肉又嫩又多汁。妈妈做的鸡胸肉 The chicken breast mom made 又嫩又多汁 So tender and so juicy. 又嫩又多汁 If you want to talk about something that melts in your mouth when you eat it, like cheesecake, in Mandarin you could say 入口即化。入口 means enter your mouth. 即 is instantly. 化 is melt. Enter your mouth and it instantly melts. Okay, 入口即化 For example, 这块起司蛋糕入口即化 This cheesecake melts in your mouth instantly. 这块起司蛋糕入口即化 If you want to say something that is very filling and makes you satisfied and full very easily, in Mandarin is 有饱足感。饱 is full. 足 is satisfied. You feel satisfied and full. 有饱足感 For example, 这碗汤里面有很多料，非常有饱足感。This soup has a lot of stuff in there. It's very filling. 这碗汤里面有很多料，非常有饱足感。The next one is 下饭。下饭 It literally means down rice, but it means that the food goes very well with rice. For example, 麻婆豆腐很下饭 Dish 麻婆豆腐 goes very well with rice. If you haven't tried 麻婆豆腐, you can take a look at the picture right here. 麻婆豆腐 很下饭。And the next one is fluffy. Fluffy is 蓬松，蓬松。For example, 这块蛋糕非常软，非常蓬松。This cake is very soft, very fluffy. 这块蛋糕非常软，非常蓬松。The next one is chewy, 有嚼劲，有嚼劲。For example, 我觉得德国面包又香又有嚼劲。I think German bread smells very good, and very chewy. Okay. 又香又有嚼劲。If you want to talk about stringing in Mandarin Chinese, actually there's no direct adjective for stringing in Mandarin, so we have an expression, but we could say 这个披萨有满满的起司，吃起来会牵丝。这个披萨有满满的起司。This pizza has full of cheese, a lot of cheese. 吃起来会牵丝 so 牵丝 is pull string, okay? So 吃起来 when you eat it, it pulls string. 吃起来会牵丝 that is stringing in Mandarin Chinese. I hope you like this video and don't forget to practice your Mandarin main sentences in the comment below from what you learned in this video. And if you want to work with me to improve your Mandarin fluency, confidence with joy, structure, and my community, make sure to check out my Chinese speaking program. It's a 3-month subscription program where I guide you to improve your Mandarin Chinese with my mini challenges, mini lesson live, and weekly Zoom coaching call with me. So I can't wait to see you in the program. Click the link down below to check out my Chinese speaking program. Until next time, 再见!